paint the frame today. My parts aren't quite ready. Gotta fill all these holes in. Two coats. I think it's called Silver Dollar. Metal plate Silver Dollar, something like that. Ford color. Just gotta do one more coat, and then it's your coat. And you can see in this can how shiny it is already. A lot of metal plate in there. Really good. There's a lot of waste there, eh? A lot of waste. Oh, yeah. You can see it. Yeah. That might be good. Yeah. But I need pressure. More pressure than the base coat. Oh, yeah. So you even get more waste. You're dealing with a critical. Yeah. Sure smells a lot more than the base coat. Yeah, you put up to the door. Oh, a little bit of air? Yeah. That smell, that shit. Oh, yeah. You got a piece of plywood over that fan outside? Oh, yeah. North side. Woo. Yeah, it's like a fog in there now. I'll suck it up quick. Yeah, hold my breath. Pressure, going for a dive. Don't forget the center stand. Over there. Don't forget the center stand. Yep. Oh, it's still the first coat? Oh, you ran out. That stuff's the worst. That stuff is the worst for fumes. Holy shit.
If you open it,
Second coat. Clear coat. I bet you less than half of that paint going on that frame, eh? Less than half.
one more bucket.
Holding my breath. See how shiny that is. Maybe if I look at the DMI, you'll see that. Wow, that's really good. Wow. Third coat. I looked up those dry belts on eBay on my phone. 15, 20 bucks. Now, I'm not sure if they're the right size, but that's what they're going for. Holding my breath. Third coat. Well, it's like glass. Can't breathe. Can't breathe. Go up. Gotta find a dry belt for this one. For the mower deck. Just put the coils on. Runs good. He had a bad coil. And then it blows the belt. Here's a 1977, I think, this Goldwing. Peter's gonna chop it down. He's gonna put a monoshock in here, make like a little cafe out of this bike. He's gonna custom build the tank and start working on that over the winter. This bike has been sitting in the guy's backyard for 25 years, and that's the original miles on this bike for I think it's a 76 or 77. 3,247 miles. Look at the gauges. The gauges are mint. Like, it's unbelievable. And this engine has, we fired the engine up, cleaned the carbs up, we got it running. Just runs as smooth as could be. And it's going to be a nice little cafe bike. It's going to be pretty cool when he gets that one all done. Another project, another day. It's going to work on this one. Peter's got me convinced we're going to paint the battery box, all the brackets, that metal flake silver as well too, and that'll look pretty good. That way you won't see any black. Even the black hubs on the back wheel, we'll be painting silver as well too. The backing plate. Peter's a friend I met when I moved back to Sarnia in 1982. And he had just escaped Slovakia 1981, I think, 80, 81. He was 19 years old, and couldn't speak English at all. And he was in Slovakia, in a communist country. You have to pick a trade when you're in high school, so he picked body work. So he worked on cars and did body work, and they're taught the old school there. And he's really good. He's a perfectionist. He's really good. That's why it's taken so long to get this bike done. He wants it done right. All my little parts like this now, I got to go through every single one, and any kind of dents or divots or any imperfections on it, we're going to be body filling them in, spot putting them in tomorrow. Going to start doing that. So probably going to be another week before I get all the little parts all ready for paint, and then he'll get them finished up. At least the frame's done. I kind of like this, let the frame sit for a week at least anyways. I'm going to put it out in the sun outside and every day, and kind of let it bake, make sure that paint's nice and hard. You know, you figure with the primer, the base coat, and the clear coat, there's got to be, well, you got 4 layers of primer, 2 or 3 layers of base coat, 3 layers of clear coat. So what's that, like 10 layers of paint? Like, it's unbelievable. No, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 layers of paint. So that's where it's at today, and hopefully by next week I'll have all the little pieces painted, and we can start putting things back together. But I should be able to do one more video in between now and then. That's it for today. It's a long one. Thanks, bye.